Hello, this is my keyboard. Now, I was not prepared, but I want to talk about the switches in them because I changed them last night. Now, this channel might be new to keyboard stuff because I haven't been posting anything at all. The last thing I posted was cars, and suddenly I'm talking about this. This is the aflion pandas. And these are the first tactile switch I've gotten. My previous switches are all linear, comprising of my first ever switch was let me find it. Gatoron Reds. These switches came from this keyboard originally. Originally it was black and different keycaps, and it had this in it. First set of switch. Second one was J-Wick blacks. I still have some of the J-Wick blacks in this keyboard, for like the rest of it, like 1, 2, 3 as well. And then KTT King Whites, one of my favorites for a while. And recently I bought a keyboard. And with that keyboard, I used this, I don't know, C something Sakura switches. They're pretty cute and pretty good actually. This needs a little bit of lubing, but I didn't bother lubing mine. And the keyboard, it sounds great already and feels pretty good. And then the last one is this Keepscape black and white, I guess piano style. I could not find this anywhere online, in stores, or even videos on them. So this is my portfolio of switches. As you can see, Gatoron Reds, J-Wick Black, KTT King White, Sakuras, and this. And I was like, yo, that's a lot of linears. I wanted to try tactiles, and I heard good things about the pandas other than it needing lubing. I did not know this need that much help. Like, usually people say, oh yeah, you need to lube the switch, but it's not really that bad stock. But this is actually just horrid. You can hear it. Doesn't sound bad on camera. And second of all, the tactility, the tactileness. The actuation force, or most of the actuation, is like on the top, like instantly. When I press it, it just boom. You don't feel it in the middle. It's kind of awkward. So when I type, sometimes I miss characters, just because my pinky is like not the strongest. I mean, you get used to it, but damn. After you go through the initial force, you get this scratchiness, and then you bottom out. Initially wanted to use it on my Alice board, this board. Woo, pretty! But it really enunciates the scratchiness of the switch, so I decided to put it on my 61%, and it sounded better. So yeah, these are the aflion pandas. Not really the greatest first impression for tactiles. Honestly, the Gatoron Reds were kind of better in a way. Not in build quality, but just like, no, you can't really hear the scratchiness that much, and it's kind of smooth, but it does feel cheap in a way compared to this. Maybe like the casing does that, but I do like some parts of it, like it looks pretty good, which doesn't really matter on a board, but hey. And then the top sound, like when it like what you call it, the opposite of bottoming out, so topping out, I guess, sounds pretty good. The bottoming out sound sounds like a J-Wick Black to me, which I don't understand. The J-Wick Blacks definitely have like a thinner casing, it feels like, but I have no idea. But I'm just getting used to this switch, and I mean, it is kind of fun. So yeah, that's it for this board. I'm gonna do a typing test like right now. Put my microphone on. Does it even pick up? Also, keep in mind, I've only used the switches on like the letters, and the numbers, I don't use them. I kind of want to try it on the space bar. Actually, I don't have it on the space bar. I did try it. It doesn't sound that much different, but maybe I installed it wrong. Hold up, let me just try this again. Oof. Alrighty. North facing board. Hopefully this docks. It doesn't. It doesn't. Is it because it's like it's bottoming out weird? Oh my god. Is it bottom? I think it's because of the stabs or something. I'm not sure. If I like put it upside down, would it do anything different? Yeah, it kind of does. It just sounds loud now. Listen. Sounds super loud. I mean, I don't know. Sounds like I'm punching something. It's kind of funny. Oh yeah, also this is a Franken switch. J-Wick Black top housing. Oh, the battery's better right now. Okay, J-Wick Black top housing, Kang White stem, and I think Gateron bottom housing. No, it's not. What is it? Oh, it's Kang White bottom housing, I think. No, it's not. What bottom housing is this? Oh, I think blues. No? I have no idea what bottom housing this is, to be honest with you. But this is what I've been using for my spacebar. Alright, battery dying. See you next time. Bye.